A pleasant day to you! For this video, we will cook chicken caldereta.
So the ingredients are 2 medium carrots, and these are my garnish later. 2 medium potatoes, caldereta sauce, soy sauce 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup oil, 80 gram of pineapple, 100 gram of green beans, salt, magic seasoning, pepper powder, 2 medium green pepper, 2 medium red pepper, 1 medium chopped onion, and garlic, and chopped breast chicken. First thing we're gonna do is to marinate the chicken. 1/2 cup of soy sauce, pepper powder, salt, seasoning, pineapple juice, and put your chicken. Put the oil. Fry it until it's slightly brown and get it. The garlic and onion. Mix the potato and the carrot.
So put the caldereta
Sauce. Put the green beans. And mix. Put some water. Add the marinade sauce. Mix. Then put the chicken. Mix until the chicken became tender. It is a cornstarch. Mix with water. Put some cornstarch. Put seasoning. Pepper powder, and some salt.
Tada! It's done! Thank you for watching. Keep safe.